Here we are going to learn about the preparations of oxides of nitrogen. I will write here preparations of oxides of nitrogen. We know many oxides of nitrogen. For example, we will start with see, I told you the method to remember this oxide. Like we can go with a oxidation state. Okay, where oxidation state of the nitrogen is +1, then it becomes +2, +3, +4, +5, that way. So when the oxidation state of nitrogen is +1, that molecule, that oxide is N2. When it is +2, nitrogen oxidation state of a nitrogen is +2 is in NO, right? When it is +3, the oxidation state of nitrogen is +3 in the compound N2O3. Okay, +4, it is NO2, right? And also the other compound N2O4. And here a fifth is N2O5. These are the compounds how we can remember where the oxidation state of nitrogen is +1, +2, +3, +4, and +5 respectively. So these are the important oxides. These are the important oxides of the nitrogen which one should know. And let us understand the preparations of this oxide one by one. So first I will take in consideration a preparation of N2O, this oxide. This also called as a laughing gas. Laughing gas. The other name for this gas is laughing gas. And how it is prepared? Let's say if I am using ammonium nitrate. Okay. First I will write ammonium nitrate, NH4NO3. This is ammonium nitrate. Thermal decomposition. Give some heat and remove as many as water molecules you can remove. If you remove, how many water molecules you can remove from here? There are four hydrogens, so two water molecules, two H2O, right? Two H2O you can remove. So what is remaining? What is left? N2O is left, right? So this is the reaction. See, you don't have to by heart everything. Means you know this, just remove water molecules and the whole reaction is ready. I'm just giving you some tricks because this chapter is mostly about the remembering the things. Okay, second method for the preparation of the N2O. If I take a iron or zinc, this metal, and if I react this with a dilute HNO3, okay, dilute HNO3 means I'll take, you will get N2, and this is a gas. Now, characteristics about this gas is this gas is colorless gas. It doesn't have any color. Um, neutral gas. Okay, it is not acidic nor basic. It is neutral gas. Also called as a name of this. I forgot to mention. This is also called as nitrous oxide. These are things about this reaction. Next, next oxide what I will be taking in consideration is NO, where oxidation state of nitrogen is +2. So second oxide is preparation of NO. Okay. Now, what kind of this reaction is? Many times I don't want to include these reactions because there is hardly any explanation is there. Like I'm just including this in a video so that you can keep the track of these. Like you don't have to separately search these in a books while watching videos. Only you can learn them. You can use a silver or a mercury, or you can use a copper or lead. Any one metal you can use any one metal in the presence of dilute HNO3. Okay, for preparing N2O, you are using either Fe, that is iron, or zinc. Here you are using silver, mercury, or copper, or lead. And acid is same HNO3 only, and what you get is NO. And this arrow is again for the gas. This is first method. The second is from NaNO2, sodium nitrite. This is sodium nitrite plus FeSO4. This is called as ferrous sulfate. Then H2SO4. This is again going to give you a NO, which is a gas. Then ferric sulfate, that is Fe2 and SO4 3 plus. These are the products. This is ferric sulfate, right? Next compound, next oxide of the nitrogen is N2O3, where the oxidation state is plus 3. So next is preparation of N2O3. Just a reaction. I'm using a Roman number here. I should use this. That is NO and NO2. What it is going to give? There is nothing as simple as this reaction, and you will require certain temperature, that is 250 Kelvin of the temperature is enough. Here, he- um, N2O4, right? Here, N2O4, sorry, N2O3 you are getting, right? This is what the N2O3. Next oxide is where the oxidation state of the nitrogen is plus 4. That is preparation of NO2. Okay, so it is brown color acidic gas, brown color acidic gas. Any metal. Now, how to prepare this? Any metal. I will just write any element. Like for the these things, it was very specific. Any of these four. Here it is any element, or I will write in bracket metal. Okay, with concentrated HNO3. What you get is NO2. Okay, and if you react zinc, like for example, zinc reacting with a concentrated HNO3, and here it is concentrated, there it was dilute. What you get is again NO2. Now, many students must be getting when to put a nitrite and when to put a nitrate. If it is, remember, if it is NO3, if it is NO3, then it is nitrate. Remember, it is nitrate. And if it is NO2, then it is nitrite. Okay, that way you can remember. Um, Here NO2 exists as a, I will write here, NO2 exists as dimer, dimer form. Okay. Also written, this could be also written as a N2O4. Okay. So that is what the thing about the NO2. There are more methods for the preparation of the oxide. Second method of preparation of the NO2 is NO2 could be also prepared, uh, also also heating of nitrate. Okay, nitrate means NO3 gives NO2. For example, I'll take a lead nitrate PbNO3 2. If we heat this compound, what we'll get is lead oxide plus NO2 and oxygen, right? This is going to give you a nitrate. Also, if you heat the uh, zinc nitrate, so zinc oxide plus NO2 and O2. These are the compounds which you are going to get. Next is preparation. Next oxide is, now since this was oxidation state of a plus 4, there is one more compound of a oxide of a nitrogen where the oxidation state of a nitrogen is plus 4. That is this compound number, think 4, right? 4. So preparation of N2O4. It's very simple. Take nitrite. If you cool it, what you will get is N2O4, because these both, the relationship between this product and the reactant is they are dimer. Okay, this is a dimer of this. Okay, if you heat this back, you will get it this way, and it is colorless solid, colorless solid, or a liquid. It could be a colorless solid or liquid. Okay, this is dia. Don't get. And it is acidic in nature. The nature is acidic. Fifth one is preparation of N2O5. Okay, this gas is colorless. It is colorless. It is solid and it is acidic. How it is prepared? I will write it in this way: HNO3, P4O10. Next is 4H3PO4 plus 6N2O5. So to balance this, what I have to put is here it is 12. This is what you are getting. Here oxidation state of the nitrogen, in this case it is plus 5, right? If we check the oxidation state of this, it is plus 5. Maximum value of the oxidation state of the nitrogen. Uh, how we can proceed with this? What is the thing we can say that here the oxidation state of phosphorus is plus 5? The main characteristics what I can say is that it is biggest oxo acid, right? Biggest oxo acid of nitrogen oxygen, one double bond should be there. So, and this is biggest oxide. This is biggest. Why I'm saying this? Because they have the maximum value of the oxidation state, right? If you calculate oxidation state of phosphorus over here, it will be plus 5. So biggest oxide, I am saying biggest oxide of phosphorus. Here it is. Here it is biggest oxo acid. Now it is both are interchanging. Both are interchanging. Here this is becoming biggest oxo acid of phosphorus. Here oxidation state of phosphorus, how much it would be? It should be again, if I calculate oxidation state of this, then it is 3 into 1 plus x plus 4 into minus 2, which is equal to 0. X is phosphorus. Here I am considering 3 plus x minus 8 is equal to 0. X is equal to 8 minus 3. So x is equal to 5. So oxidation state of phosphorus over here is again 5. So biggest oxo acid of phosphorus. And this is biggest oxide. This is biggest oxide of nitrogen. And here oxidation state of the nitrogen is plus 5. So if you want to understand, if you want to remember something of this reaction, then you can remember it this way. So we have done the preparations of all the oxides of nitrogen, and again it's time to end this lecture over here. Thank you.